Food Caching in Eastern Gray Squirrels by Sylvia Laciny. After uploading this video to the PowerPoint, I realize now I could have zoomed in a little more, so I apologize if it's hard to see. In the footage, we see an eastern gray squirrel engaging in food caching, also known as scatter hoarding. The squirrel selects a nut, digs a shallow hole, places the nut inside, and carefully covers it with soil and leaves before leaving the area. At the mechanistic level, food caching is influenced by both environmental and physiological cues. Squirrels rely heavily on sensory information like nut weight, hardness, and odor to evaluate whether a food item is worth caching. Studies on hoarding species such as Preston and Jacobs in 2009 show that squirrels use tactical and auditory cues to judge nut quality before deciding to bury it. In this video, we observe a squirrel inspecting a nut and deciding what to do with it. Seasonal changes also play a role. During autumn, hormonal shifts increase motivation to store high-fat foods in preparation for winter scarcity. So immediate sensory cues combined with seasonal physiology help trigger the caching behavior. Food caching develops through a mix of instinct and learning. Young squirrels begin caching soon after weaning, but their early attempts are usually sloppy and easier for other squirrels to pilfer. As they age, their spatial memory improves with experience. Research by McDonald in 1997 showed that scatter hoarding species refine cache placement and retrieval accuracy over time, indicating that although the behavior is innate, successful caching requires practice. This developmental process helps squirrels become efficient foragers as adults. From an evolutionary perspective, food caching is a behavior that likely arose in ancestral tree-dwelling squirrels in environments with highly seasonal nut availability. Many closely related species, such as fox squirrels and red squirrels, also scatter hoard, suggesting a shared evolutionary origin with the Squirrelidae family. Steele and Kobrowski's 2001 work on North American tree squirrels explains how hoarding evolved as an adaptation to environments with large seasonal fluctuations in food availability. This phylogenetic pattern shows that caching is an ancient trait shaped by long-term ecological pressures. Functionally, food caching provides a crucial survival advantage. By storing nutrient-dense nuts during autumn, squirrels ensure access to energy during winter months when fresh food is scarce. Scatter hoarding also spreads risk. If a predator or competitor finds one cache, others remain safe. Vanderwall's 1990 research on food hoarding shows that this strategy increases overwinter survival and supports early spring reproduction. Essentially, caching is a long-term energy management strategy that increases an individual squirrel's fitness. This behavior directly connects to the concepts from Submodule 5.2 on foraging strategies. Gray squirrels are excellent examples of optimal foragers. They choose nuts that offer the highest energy return relative to the time and effort required to handle and bury them. Their food selection is shaped by spatial temporal distribution, because nut abundance peaks in the fall and nearly disappears in winter. Caching also reflects risk management strategies in foraging. Scatter hoarding spreads caches over a wide area to reduce the chance of total loss from pilferers. The behavior also relies heavily on sensory cues like odor and weight, aligning with our lessons on sensory mechanisms in foraging. By examining gray squirrel caching through Tim Bergen's 4 levels, we can see how this behavior is shaped by immediate mechanisms, development processes, evolutionary history, and adaptive function, and how it fits within larger themes of animal foraging strategies. Overall, food caching illustrates how animals combine energy optimization, memory, sensory processing, and evolutionary history to meet their nutritional needs.